Hey guys, I noticed there was a lot of confusion while Tim was talking about why you couldn't power one AC transfer bus with the APU and the other with ground power, so I thought I'd make a quick video kind of going over it. We can see this is a slide inside of the OneDrive under electric system. He has a note here that tells you that it's not possible to power one transfer bus with external power and the other with the APU, but it's not necessarily the most clear why, especially even if you have this bus transfer switch to off instead of auto, you still can't power one with ground power and one with the APU. And the reason for that is you have to remember the difference between parallel and serial. So this is not a parallel system, so only one thing can ever be supplying power to a bus or any component. So we see here that the ground power, I hope you can see my cursor, connects here in between the two transfer buses, and the APU also connects here between the two transfer buses. The question is, why can't we have our ground power here flowing to transfer bus 1 into the AC transfer bus 1, and APU flowing to the AC transfer bus 2? Well, there's not a transfer here between them. So if you had both of them open right here and right here, then they would both be flowing here to this middle area, and you cannot have two sources of power flowing to the same place, even if there's not a component there. So this wiring would be receiving both ground power and APU power, which would blow the system. It can't handle that much power. So that is why if you have the APU, if you switch just the left APU on down here, the APU is going to be powering AC transfer bus 1 and AC transfer bus 2 if this is on auto, because basically you're going to open this, which means this must close. If you flip the left switch here, it's going to be wanting to power AC transfer bus 1 here with APU, because that's what you just told it to do. So it's going to close this and allow the power to run into AC transfer bus 1, and AC transfer bus 2 is going to have no source of power because ground power has been shut off, so it's automatically going to send APU power to AC transfer bus 2 because this is on auto. If you have this on off, you're on ground power, and you switch just the left APU switch here. Now you have APU coming over here and powering AC transfer bus 1, but you do not have it powering AC transfer bus 2. Ground power isn't powering it because now ground power is closed since you turn the APU on, and this is an off, which means this is not going to automatically close, and you could theoretically have AC transfer bus 2 receiving no power, which is why there's a cover over this switch, because that would be very dangerous. But that is why you cannot have external power or ground power powering one transfer bus and the APU powering another. Hope that helped.